All right, so the last thing we're going to do for the beginning basic is to add the canonical tag. So let's go in order to do that, you have to add a code in the header of the index HTML page. But this is done with PHP, and the best way to do it is to add a plugin. So let's go and add a plugin. The name of the plugin is HP headers and footers here. This no, here in footer custom colors. Yeah, it's this one. Okay, install. Okay, so active. It's not the one that I wanted it. Wait, it's not the one I wanted. I wanted this one. Okay, let's go use this one. What is it? Code snippets other than footers. Here in the header, so inside is going to actually give me access to the header of the page, and here's my code, and I'm going to add a canonical tag, and here, for example, we need to put that URL, this one, and this one will be this. Okay, so we're going to save changes, and now I added the canonical tag. So now my server, no, the search engine can find this main page as the index for the website. All right, you should add the title, meta description, and keywords to this header. But this is just code for meta description. I just want the code. Never mind. Just use ChatGPT. So here is the code. Is actually you had to add the description here, like this, and you had to add the description to your, to your site. What is your site's about, and then you can also add a one tag for keywords. So you can do that very easy. Just ChatGPT or Google. Google doesn't find anything anymore, but you can ChatGPT. So I think this is enough information. We save it for you to get you started with the basics of designing a page. We do have to kind of talk about how to get a mood board, how you can get the sitemap first, how to add the site to Google Analytics, sitemap. So that's done with, there's more advanced, but that's done with in Yoast. You have to kind of look for it. You have to configure site profiles, all of this, and then you get to a tab that has the sitemap. So it creates an XML for the sitemap, and you can add that to your Google search, to the Google console, and your Google console. And then you can also add SiteKit, that is a kit from Google Analytics that you can add it to your site. So all of that is in the advanced. See you there.